like there's nothing new, but I feel like let me just do this makeup tutorial. So like,
so it would mean everything to me. You can fight, but you will always win. So her life finds a way to beat ya.
hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. My name is Fiona Akinyi, and if you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. And if this is not your first time on my channel, thank you so much for tuning in once again. So today's video is a makeup tutorial. I feel like it's been decades before I did any makeup tutorial, and with all honesty, there's nothing new in my collection, so I'll link everything, or rather list everything that I've used, or rather I'm going to use, down in the description box. And then yeah, I'll avoid talking much, just because I've noticed every time I talk in a video, my video tends to be longer than usual, which I don't exactly like. So I'll just do, like, there's nothing new, but I feel like let me just do this makeup tutorial. So let me stop yapping. So let's get right into it.
You can fight, but you will always win. So her life finds a way to beat.
My eyebrow pencil is so small. I'll see what to do. Like, I'll try to get a new one, so bear with me.
Cause it shows just how much I need ya. It would mean everything to me if we could take a holiday. Cause when I'm bone tired every night isn't my favorite way. And even our smallest dreams getting me never sees the light of day. So it would mean everything to me. But I'll come join you in the rain. Cause it shows just how much I need ya.
I decided to start highlighting, or rather applying concealer around, or rather above my mouth, just because I realized that's the place where my face starts discoloring. Okay, so kama discoloring is the right word, but like foundation inaishanga po haraka and doesn't look cute, so this should help in, sorting out that problem. yeah, that's why.
Even as smaller streams getting me never sees the light of day. So it would mean everything to me. It would mean everything to me if we could take a holiday. Cause when I'm bone tired every night isn't my favorite way. And even as smaller streams getting me never sees the light of day. So it would mean everything to me. You could fight, but you won't always win. So her life finds a way to beat ya. But I'll come join you in the ring. Guess it shows just how much I need ya.
Ngataka kuoga. So this is the final result. I feel like it's really simple and easy. Like I told you, I just use an orange and dark brown eyeshadow on my eyes, eyeliner, and a purple lipstick, purple or maroon lipstick on my lips, and that's pretty much it. So I hope in one way or the other you guys got inspired by it, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and tell me anything and everything about this video, if you like it, didn't like it, or if you have any question in regards to what I've done so far. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So up until the next video, bye bye.